Castor oil for eyelashes. You will need 1-2 drops castor oil, 1 drop lavender oil or neem oil or rosehip oil or rosemary oil or tea tree oil or grapeseed oil. Q-tip or a clean mascara wand. What you have to do: mix the 2 oils together and apply on the eyelashes carefully. Leave it on overnight. Apart from castor oil, you can use any other carrier oils in the same way. Take your pick from olive oil, almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. How often you should do this? Do this every night religiously, and you will have long, thick lashes in just a couple of days. Why this works? Be it castor oil or olive oil, the carrier oils contains nourishing fatty acids that help the hair of your lashes to grow longer and thicker. These oils also nourish the hair follicles. 1. The addition of essential oils will make this remedy even more potent because these oils contain plenty of antioxidants to restore and maintain healthy lash growth. They also improve circulation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Olive and castor oil blend. You will need 1-2 drops olive oil, 1-2 drops castor oil. Q-tip. What you have to do: mix olive oil and castor oil together. Apply the resultant oil on your lashes before going to bed. Wash your face in the morning as usual. How often you should do this? Apply this every night. Why this works? These 2 oils make a good combination to promote eyelash growth.